Anyways, unlike traditional programming where we explicitly define the rules and logic, machine learning enables computers to learn patterns and make predictions without being explicitly programmed for specific tasks. Let's illustrate this with a real-world example. Spam email detection. Let's say I receive an email and I want to determine whether it's spam or not spam. With traditional programming, I would need to write specific rules. For example, if an email contains words like lottery, free, or winner, it's classified as spam. The limitation here is that I would need to anticipate and encode every possible rule. If spammers change their wording, the program may fail to identify new spam emails. On the other hand, with machine learning, instead of writing specific rules, we feed the machine learning algorithm a large data set of emails, each labeled, in the case of supervised learning by humans, as spam or not spam. The algorithm learns patterns from this data that differentiate spam from non-spam. And during training, the algorithm will try to build a model that minimizes a classification error, or more generally, something we call a loss function. In this way, the algorithm can adapt to new forms of spam without explicit reprogramming.